Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome, welcome. You are tuning in now to Chefleftovers. He's back with another mukbang. I decided to cook another turkey leg. This time, y'all, I deep fried him. And boy, he looks delicious. So before we get started, we're going to go ahead and say grace and then get it in. Thank you for the food we're about to receive, for the nourishment of my healthy body. In Jesus Christ, name I pray. Amen. Okay, so first I'm going to do a thumbnail, y'all. All right. So how's everybody doing today? So right here, we have some sauce here that I made. It's more of like a vinaigrette. I will have the recipe on my channel already, so I will include a link to the description box. I would include a link to the video in the description box. And also, if you look up there, there's a little tab. You click that tab, and that'll take you right to it as well. But y'all, this sauce is amazing. It goes on salad, chicken, sandwiches. It's really good. So we're gonna try this turkey leg. All right. And then right here I have some rice and then some gravy I made from the broth. We're just gonna let that run. Look at that, y'all. That looks so good. So good. And then I got some hot rolls right here, the dinner rolls. So we're gonna try this out for the first time to see what it's hitting for y'all. If you want to see how I made the gravy or the turkey leg, just let me know in the comments section below. And if I get at least 10 people to ask me, I will kindly do a video and show y'all how it's done. So don't forget. Oh God, that's so tender. Mm. 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 That's so good. It's amazing. Mm. I don't know about y'all, but I love hot rolls. I'm gonna try the sauce now. Mm-hmm. I knew it would. Y'all, so I hope you guys didn't forget about September the 11th. You know, I, one of the worst cases in U.S. history. So, hope y'all paid y'all respects. And remember the ones who lost their lives. I did a video on that as well. Everything is so good, everybody. So good. I'm gonna bite this thing out. Okay, y'all. Look, pull it out. Hot steamy. Good. Mm. There's a market here, meat market, where I go to get these from. These legs, and I get two of them for $6. I mean, this is really for two people, y'all. This is how big they are. The skin. I love fried skin on anything. The leg, turn it out, chicken, y'all. Don't know. Come on, there we go. The gravy, kind of like a smoky curry taste to it. It's very good. I said again, if y'all want a recipe for this, the turkey leg, cool. It took me a while to figure out how to actually make a good uh, turkey leg, because they can be very tough. So there's a certain way y'all you do that. What you do them, that way they're good, and they look, make it so tender, y'all. Look at this, look at this, look at that. Right off the bone, y'all. Look at y'all, look. There's a certain way you gotta do it to get it like that. Don't worry, I will teach y'all. Dip it in that sauce. Look, I feel like I just felt out of felt why I picked it up. Y'all, when the food's good, you know you start singing and dancing. I'm saying your food's good. I barely talk because when the food's good too, you can say a word, the whole table is quiet. I've never been to a place and the food was really good. Remember, chit chat, no. When the food good, you ain't got time to talk. And that's on period. And I should also go look at my first prank video. I did a good prank though, yeah. Yeah, I think I what to do. Afterwards, I kind of felt bad, but yeah, it was funny as hell. So, I'm also leave the link to that video as well in the description box. Or you can click it right up here, y'all. Right here. You know what? I never understood why they have these little molding like this. So I'm sure that was like a bone for support because this big bone you better support her. It's not like a bone you have to move. I've never seen a chicken like that, so I don't know why turkey would have that. Now kind of built the same way. One is a little bit bigger. But, so I know anything about the little big bones and turkeys. And y'all too. So I'm curious to know why I got some little bit bones now. I'm gonna eat fish almost. You got to pick around them. But it's a big swallow. That piece of bread in here, I know. Fill my lap, you know. It fell in my lap. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, that's real good. Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. I'm full. I'm ready to go. Lay down, take a little nap, smoke a cigarette. Hope you guys all had a nice, blessed weekend. I hope your week starts out strong. And remember, the best meals are always with leftovers. So I know, y'all.